As a crypto enthusiast and a content creator, together I look for projects that can absolutely parabolically excel my experience. Now, there's a reason that I have chose the projects I've chose today. Not because I think you're going to make the most money, even though I do think this is going to be huge for your portfolio, but because as a content creator, this project is very, very important. So let's get straight into it after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it because I like to have fun, find projects like this, and as a content creator, it is my passion. So let's get straight in. So VIBING is the project we're talking about right now. The pre-sale has already started, and I will show you that very, very soon. So let me just go through, first of all, the concept of this being a meme, okay? And then secondly, the important parts that people maybe just brush over is the utility and the actual project vision, because it's incredible. The meme is just the way to get you in. Now, the cat meme isn't just a meme, it's a whole vibe, okay? The Vibing Cat. About this. The use case and purpose, VIBING token addresses the growing need for a reliable and globally recognized system for content creators, like myself and like probably most of you that are watching, okay? The content creators achievements is the main recognized system. Now, the platform enables seamless sharing of art records across talent, representation, and brand development, quality control, and efficiency in the technology integration ecosystem. This is the best part. VIBING actually facilitates art management, whether it is the form of music, visual art, writing, or other mediums that involve various aspects of talent management, promotion, and business development. That's the VIBING Management VCM. Again, don't even think that this is just memes, okay? This is just to keep you entertained, to make you laugh. I love this because it keeps it a fun vibe. But the actual side of this that is going to help content creators all around the world, whether it's physical or digital, is insane. Their tokenomics are as meme-worthy as VIBING projects, so you can snag some of these tokens up with your crypto portfolio, turn into a meme masterpiece and your meme statement, okay? So the token introduces ERC20 utility token VBT as the native cryptocurrency. The tokens are used for transactions within the platform, including the issuance and verification of art credentials. Accessing premium and educational content, the Academy CVV, and participating in governing mechanisms. Now, the token name is VIBING okay? The symbol is VCT. The total supply is a heckload of zeros, maybe 1 million trillion, I don't know. Look how many that is, okay? It's a lot on VCT. Total allocation is going to be 40% content creators at 5%, charity donation 5%, future development and marketing and products at 10%. Now, the VIBING team, constant of experienced professionals with backgrounds in the blockchain development, so they know exactly what they need to do to make sure that this project is as good as I am telling you it is. Now, phase one is the foundation where the smart contract was developed, transforming memes into programmable assets through smart contract development. Community building, fostering meme-powered communities through strategic engagement and collaboration, and branding and marketing, elevating memes into iconic brands through innovative marketing strategies. Through to their phase twos, where the launch of the infrastructure and tools will be there. Okay, that's the token launch partnerships, the token listings, the exchange listings, the awareness campaigns. Through to phase three, where you have the content creation management, the market cap goal, and the listings. Okay, that's the audience engagement and promotion going in. Now, if you want to contact them, okay, VCT Coin is not affiliated with the VIBING video or its creator. It's a tribute to the beloved meme that holds a special place in their hearts. Now, they have Twitter, they have Telegram, and I am going to show you their token sale. So first, let's go to their Twitter. They have just crossed the 1,000 mark, okay? That is great because they started in 2023, so make sure you give them a huge, huge follow, okay? I love this meme with the cover, slashing Doge, slashing Shiba, and then coming all the way to Pepe, getting ready to slash that up as well. Okay, they have got some insane, guys, listen to what I'm going to say. They have some insane engagement. You think 1,000 is small? Okay, they only just joined less than a month ago. They got 134,000 views on just this one video of the VIBING okay? Crazy retweets. This happens throughout, okay, on all of these. 639 just on the VIBING not in his head. So you can see how incredible this is going to be, and I'm going to show you this on the P2B exchange as well right now. So this is where you can actually buy the crypto at p2pb2b.com, okay? The link is going to be down below. If you want to buy some, just go over here and use your USDT. It started on December the 20th. It's finishing on February 29, so there's 2 months, 3 days left, okay? The listing is there, and the payouts will be made within 2 business after the IEO is actually finished. Before we leave, guys, I wanted to go onto the white paper and actually just explain a bit more about the utility of this. So I'm going to download it and show you it now. So once you've downloaded that white paper, guys, there is 11 pages in total, and you can actually go through all this. Now, I want to go specifically into the vision and mission, okay? Forget the dead drama. The Vibing Cat is time to shine. Now, the vision and the mission behind this is insane, okay? Specifically, the use case and purpose. So the Cat token addressing the growing need for a reliable and globally recognized system for content creators' achievements. Now, the platform enables seamless sharing of art records across talent representation and brand development, quality control, and efficiency in technology integrations ecosystem. Here's the best part. Vibing Cat facilitates art management, whether it is in the form of music, visual art, writing, or other mediums that involve various aspects of talent management, promotion, and business development is right there. I told you this is not just a token. Okay, what is behind it? Okay, like I said, these steps that we went through are the reasons, the milestones, including the development of the user-friendly platform with the AI content creation, in addition to additional features such as decentralized art learning. So you see why I'm so excited, guys, because on the surface, you're seeing these fun memes. Everybody's going to be wanting to get involved with a Vibing Cat. A simple nod of the head of the Vibing Cat is getting over 136,000 people engaging with the posts. That's insane. This is how big this project is about to be. Now, the important part is that's all on the surface. The actual utility, the actual mission and vision between this is insane. The management of any creative mind. Okay, that's insane. That means I can use this. That means the next day Picasso can use this, okay? All these different people that have a creative mind that just need a safe place on the blockchain with this innovative technology can actually get involved. So I'm super excited about this. I'm going to get involved in this. Let me know in the comments if you do. Vibing Cat is a big thumbs up from me. Guys, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Go and follow them on Twitter. Hit the links down below to get involved. And I'll see you on the next project.